Bluetail gives users numerous ways to easily and securely share files, documents, and logbooks with anyone. For starters, if you want to limit the viewing or editing of all or a portion of your documents, you can assign the viewer or buyer role when adding a new user. Viewers can only view and not edit documents, whereas the buyer can only view the aircraft logbooks. Bluetail allows for sharing of single or multiple files, either via email, private link, or one of our integrated storage apps. To share a file or files via email, simply select the files to be shared, click on the sharing icon in the upper right corner as shown, then click on the related email icon in the pop-up box. You must then choose an expiration date from the menu. Please note that you also have the option of adding a watermark. Complete the sharing process by entering the recipient email address and clicking the blue Send button. The recipient will then open the email and click on the related link to obtain access to the appropriate file or files. The recipient will not be asked to enter a password. To share files via a private link, follow the same process that you did for sharing via email. Click on Private Link, enter the desired expiration date, and choose whether or not you wish to require a password for the private link. If selected, the password will be auto-generated. You then press the blue Create Link button. As you can see, you have the option of cutting and pasting the link, downloading it, or copying it to a clipboard for the purpose of sending in an email or text message. When the recipient clicks on the link, they only see the document or documents the user wants them to see. Finally, users can share a file or files via Bluetail storage app integration. Once the initial sharing pop-up box is opened, simply click on the desired app. We will use Google Drive in this example. Once selected, the file or files will then be automatically copied to the related Google Drive folder. Users will see the message, "Your file shared successfully."